Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to TechGeek webinar series, our endeavor to empower techies. We believe that sharing of knowledge is the key to enhance our skills and grow us as professionals. With this principle in mind, we have initiated a series of webinars conducted by industry experts to give you all a crisp insight of various domains. The topic of today's session is Oracle MAA Best Practices for Oracle Exadata. Our guest speaker today is Manu Goyal, Chief Technology Officer at Heuristics Informatics Private Limited. Known for his technological expertise and versatility, Manu is the backbone of HIPL's boundless technological advantage. With over 14 years of experience in IT, his ability in understanding modern and potential applications for new technologies is outstanding. Extensive experience in working on deployment and integration of several mission-critical database instances in high availability environment like engineered systems, Exadata, ODA, non-engineered systems, and virtualized systems under OVM and VMware. So without further delay, I introduce you all to our guest speaker. Over to you, Manu.
Thank you, Mohini. Good afternoon, folks. I'd like to start by welcoming you all to hopefully the first of many webinars that we're going to be conducting. This particular webinar is titled Maximum Availability Architecture, Best Practices for Oracle Exadata. Over the next 45 or so minutes, I'm going to walk you through how you can implement Oracle Exadata and also take advantage of the high availability and maximum availability concepts available within the Exadata and additionally outside of it. So while we work out through transitioning the slides over to the next one, all right, finally. Okay, so the agenda for this afternoon session is basically, as we said, Exadata and the maximum availability architecture. How does Exadata have high availability, or how does it provide high availability out of the box? What additional configuration best practices can we implement to have a maximum availability implementation for Exadata in place? And then a few reference architectures, very high level, but something that will give you an idea of what capabilities Exadata will have and what else we can do with that. So I guess these pauses will get smaller and smaller as we go along. Right now, it's taking slightly longer than we expected for the slides to transition, but hopefully we will have that sorted out pretty quickly. All right. So a day in the life of Databird. Databird is the fictional data miner for the Dilbert universe. So as you can probably see, I mean, this is what we've tried to do to set the tone for the webinars. But moving on. So while the slides are moving, for those of you who are not aware of what Oracle Exadata is, it is an engineered system created and sold by Oracle. It is basically a rack of several database and storage servers, all engineered together to work in a highly available and extreme performance, as Oracle likes to call it, fashion. The Exadata database has several, or database machine has several different innovations that enable it to provide as much as 10 and maybe even more, 10 times more performance than what you would get on a regular commodity hardware database. While the transition slides move on, and the Exadata database machine typically would have several different configurations, the simplest being what is known as the quarter rack. That quarter rack configuration is 2 database servers and 3 storage servers, all engineered and networked together to work out of the box, which means you buy an Exadata database machine from Oracle. Once they ship it to you, once they come in and install it, it is all ready to go. You are ready to move your databases over there. Typically, what you would see is the Exadata uses Intel-based server, so it is in a fashion commodity hardware by itself, but the way it is set up, it is configured to give you the best possible performance that you can get. The features that allow it to do that, I mean, the configuration of the servers themselves, the software enhancements such as, the way storage is set up, the way storage is, I guess, architected would be the right term, and then the underlying InfiniBand backbone of the Exadata system.